guys, it's me, Benny. Welcome back to We're Reading Virtual Storytime. This is a very special week. It's Animal Shelter Appreciation Week. Do you know what an animal shelter is? It's a place that takes care of animals that don't have homes. It's a very special place and a great place to go if you need a pet. So in honor of this week, we're going to read a story called Fancy Nancy and the Posh Puppy by Jane O'Connor. And then we're going to make our very own Accordion Dog. It's going to be very silly, but lots of fun too. Before we start anything, let's sing our storytime song. Ready? We welcome you to storytime, storytime, storytime. We welcome you to storytime. We'll all have lots of fun. Okay, enjoy Fancy Nancy.
Fancy Nancy and the Posh Puppy by Jane O'Connor, illustrated by Robin Price Glasser. I am ecstatic. That's a fancy word for happy. We're going to get a puppy, a real one. I hope we get a papillon, like our neighbor's dog. You say it like this, papillon. In French, it means butterfly. I help Mrs. Devine take care of Jewel. We take her to the beauty salon and we buy her new ensembles. That's a fancy word for clothes. Papillons are so posh. That's a fancy word for fancy. There's only one problem, my parents. Papillons like to stay indoors, my dad says. They're too little. And delicate, my mom says. What about one of these dogs? I shake my head. Too big, too brown, too plain. Sometimes it's hard being the only fancy person in a family. Then I get an idea that is spectacular. That's a fancy word for great. We can puppy sit for Jewel. My parents say okay. So does Mrs. Devine. My family will see how happy we'll be with a papillon puppy. I introduce Jewel to my doll, Maribel. I show my sister how to groom Jewel and how to scoop her poop. My sister wants to hold and kiss Jewel. I tell her, you must be gentle. What a responsible girl you are, my mom says. Some dog is going to be very lucky. Merci, I say. That's French for thank you. Two of my friends are walking their dogs. Come over to my house, I say. I'm puppy sitting. All the dogs can play together. Rusty splashes in the wading pool. Jewel hides behind my legs. Scamp plays fetch. Go, Jewel, go get the ball, I yell. Jewel just looks at me. She gets exhausted pretty quickly, I tell my friends. That's a fancy word for tired. While Jewel gets her beauty rest, we have refreshments. Oh no! Look what my sister is doing! Poor Jewel is terrified. Mom, come quick! Jewel is gonna be sick! When we get our papillon, I am not letting her near it, I say. My mom whispers, she doesn't know any better. She was just trying to be nice. I know that. We take Jewel back to her house. She is a perfect dog for Mrs. Devine. But maybe she isn't the perfect dog for us. I'm so sad I hardly get fancy when we go to the King's Crown for dinner. On the way home, we drive by the animal shelter. Let's take a look, my mom says. All those dogs need a family to love them. I asked the lady, are there any fancy dogs here? And she says, I think I have just the dog for you. She's funny and playful and smart and cuddly. Her name is Frenchie. Frenchie? I like the sound of that. Frenchie runs right to me and jumps in my lap. She likes it when my sister hugs her. Frenchie is the perfect dog for us. My dad says Frenchie is a LaSalle Spaniel. That's a very unique breed. Unique is a fancy word for one of a kind. You know what? Maybe that's even better than fancy. The end.
Okay, so in continuing our celebration of Animal Shelter Appreciation Week, we're going to make ourselves an accordion dog. And I found this template, just a dog head, butt,
ear, and then this accordion thing, which we're all gonna cut this out, so we'll need scissors. I got a pom-pom to put on his little nose. This little, some people call it a brad, metal fastener or whatever. We're gonna use that to attach the ear. And then of course, instead of just leaving the eye plain, I have my googly eye. And then I decided to color it. I'm gonna do, decided to make mine a spotted dog. So I'm gonna use the red for the spots to match the nose. And then I'm gonna color the rest blue because I like red and blue together, and you know, it's election week, so why don't we go for it? So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut out my templates. Okay, so we're almost done with the cutting, but before we finish up, I just wanted to mention, I forgot, I'm gonna use this hole puncher. That way it's easier to get the metal fastener through, or the brad. Just line it up with the hole and then line it up with the dot on the ear. So that'll make that easier. And then of course I'm gonna need glue to attach the accordion to the rest of the dog, and also the, or actually no, just the pom-pom. I'm gonna go ahead and use tape. So let's get that out. I'm gonna use some tape to tape the accordion part on, because I think it'll hold better than the glue at first. You can use both, you can use either, it's up to you. But the thing about this, this is the accordion part, and what you do is you fold it in the middle so that all these are facing you here. Do it as straight as you can. And you'll see all these little lines. We're just gonna cut along all those lines, and that's gonna make the accordion. So I'm gonna go down one side. Okay, so yeah, you can see how it stretches now. Yeah, it's not like huge, but it's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and color this side, the plain side. I like to keep my lines on my dog, but I'm gonna color this side to hide the lines for that part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the marker and make my dots first. And then I'm gonna use the blue on top, just because the marker shows up better if you put it directly on the paper as opposed to on top of the crayon. Okay, so now all we got to do is attach everything. I think the first thing we'll do is tape it together. You want to go ahead and tape it on top of the back here. Just like this. So, and again, you might find glue easier. I just think, just for the purpose of this video at least, it's easier to show you guys the finished product if I don't have to wait for the body to dry. And I always tend to grab it too quickly, and then it falls apart because I'm impatient. So that is one thing. Of course, we're gonna fix the ear. We got the brad. Stick it right through there. Stick it through the little ear hole. And then you just open it up on the other side. You can see, get your finger in there. And if it's not too tight, you can move the ear around however you like it. And then the last things to do, of course, are to glue on the nose and the eye. So put a little dot for the nose, a little dot for my googly eye, probably too big a dot for the googly eye. That's the other thing. I always use too much glue. You might be able to get away with a glue stick, but I just find that liquid glue seems to work better with the eyes. And really the pom-poms too. And actually that red kind of matches. So then when you're all done, you have your accordion puppy. Wah, wah. This guy doesn't want to bend. If you have trouble bending it, you can kind of fold it a little bit, but there he is.
Okay guys, that's all we have time for today. I hope you made a really posh accordion dog. I think these are going to be really cute. Okay, well I'll see you next week on We're Reading Virtual Story Time. Bye-bye.